To stop your gallery app from automatically playing motion photos on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to disable auto play motion photos option on gallery app. To do so, open gallery app, tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then tap setting. Under viewing option section, tap the blue on offset next to auto play motion photos until the switch turns gray to turn it off. To see the result, tap the back key. Open a motion photo. As you can see, now gallery app doesn't automatically play the motion. However, if you like to play the motion, tap this view motion photo button. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.